With the rumored Moto Z3 Play on the horizon, Android headlines released what it purports to be the phone's first official render, provided by an unnamed source. The image reveals the removal of the front-mounted fingerprint sensor that was found on the Moto Z Play and Moto Z2 Play. Instead, the sensor has been moved to the side to give the screen more space to work with. Because of the move, Motorola might take the Sony route and have the fingerprint sensor pull double duty as the Moto Z3 Play's power button. A recent report backs up such a move, as well as a shift to a 6-inch display with Full HD Plus 2160 by 1080 resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. Elsewhere, the purported official render shows the Moto Z3 Play's dual primary cameras. Reports peg a 12MP and 8MP combination, which could indicate a portrait mode feature for the cameras. Also around back is that familiar 16-pin connector, which allows the Moto Z3 Play to play nice with Motorola's Moto Mod ecosystem. We do not know whether the company plans to announce new Moto mods alongside the Moto Z3 Play, though we will keep our ears to the ground. What you might not find is a headphone jack. The alleged official render does not angle the Moto Z3 Play in a way that lets us see the headphone jack, though previous reports pegged its absence. As we learned from the Moto Z3 Play's recent visit to the FCC, the phone also looks to feature the Snapdragon 636 chipset, 4GB of RAM, and either 32GB or 64GB of storage. According to Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 636 is more powerful than the Snapdragon 625 and 630 before it. Even though the supposed official render lines up with what we have seen of the Moto Z3 Play so far, take the image with a grain of salt. Expect additional information to leak out as we near the phone's rumored June launch window.